Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to be cool and popular. How to be cool and popular. Now first off, I have a ton of friends. I can easily count the number of friends I have on one finger. If you want to have as many friends as me, or even more, then you'll need to follow these instructions precisely. The first thing to become cool and popular is that you need to have the right look. Don't wear anything that is too casual, because that is not cool and you probably won't get accepted into the circle. This is an example outfit that you could wear to fit in. As you can see, it is extremely fashionable, stylish, and above all, cool and popular. And that's what you want. In addition, this is a unisex outfit, so you should all be wearing something very similar to this in order to be accepted. You can even wear glasses to complete the look. Just put the glasses on to show you the look here. Oh, I'm sure that is very cool and stylish. It feels like it is, and that's good. That's what you want. Now that you've got the look, the next step will be to get the personality. The very best way to gain a personality is simply just to gain some confidence. What you want to do is, if you're in a crowd of people, then you go up to the people and you say hello, and you introduce your name. And if you're struggling to think of anything to say after that, then just block their face like this. Because if you distort their face, you can't really see them, and then you shouldn't lose too much confidence. Use both arms, why not? Or if that's not working because they're kind of dodging out the way, trying to block your arms, then you could try and close your eyes, because if you can't see the people, then there's no reason for you to lose confidence. So you just start chatting away like this, and then there's nothing to be afraid of. Have your arms up in the air, just as a safety precaution, but this is what you really want to be aiming for. And not only will it retain your confidence, but it will also continue to make you look really cool and popular. Now, one thing that I like to do to build up my confidence is to go up to random people on the streets and ask questions like, "Excuse me, where can I find the fashion show? I need to get there, I'm running late." And most of the time they won't respond, but that's fine because my eyes are closed and I'm not actually speaking to anyone. But the ones that do reply, I end up having a very long-lasting relationship with, which is really nice and good. Oh, my eyes are still closed. Oh, that's better. Confidence is still there, which is good. Now, when you're developing your personality to become cool and popular, it is extremely important to not smile or laugh. That is a sign of weakness. People will see right through you and realise that you're actually quite an emotional person, and they probably won't want to become your friend. Instead, try acting more robotic-like. If you can mimic robots, which we all know are really cool, then you will definitely have the upper hand. Try chatting to your washing machine for guidance. And that is all it really takes to become cool and popular. If none of these techniques have worked for you, then you've probably done it wrong, but don't worry, you can try like studying animals. I managed to obtain my personality from studying a squirrel. Squirrels are full of confidence, they have nuts, and they like to do parkour. So I highly recommend improving your coolness with them. Now I'm going to go off now and continue working on my squirrel behaviour, and hopefully I'll reach new levels of coolness and popularity. So I'll catch you all later. See you. Okay. Stand up first. That's what squirrels do. I'll take my sandals off. Don't want to dirty the bed. That's one. There's another one. That's 2 sandals. So squirrels get on beds like this. That's the first part. It's a bit of parkour done there. And now I'll show you how to dismount off the bed like a squirrel. So just perch like this, and then you just take the plunge. It's quite high up actually. I might try and just ease my way down, just do some light parkour. I'm okay, don't worry about me. I'm okay, thank you. Thanks for asking. Cheers.